For my MDP, I did a filmmaking project. I made a film on child sexual abuse. Since this is a very controversial topic, I was a little skeptical about should I go ahead with it or should I do it or not. But because thanks to my support from my mentors and from all these faculty members, they supported me. And especially thanks to Shaz Ahmed, who helped me go through all of these challenges. And apart from that, I think the team I found, those people, they were all open-minded. I think it was all efforts from my team, myself, the teacher I got. It was a combining effort of all of us, and luckily for my film, I got a Best Film Award for Social Impact. So hello everyone, I'm Spraha Mangal and I'm from CDL6. My inspiration actually, it started with a personal story, and then we went on with the research, and I found more people who went through this similar experiences. And so even with my personal story, it was a question like, why did it happen? Why I started blaming myself, or was it like, did I like it? Those type of questions came, which when I further researched about it, when I asked psychologists, I went to like 4 months of extensive research into this topic. That's when I realized a lot of things, that around these age, students are really, all the teenagers are really into those biological responses which they can't control. And that's why they went into these manipulative behaviors of elders and keeps on becoming victim of all of these things. So I realized that because all of these things is happening, and I have a younger sister as well, and I have a lot of sisters around, so I really wanted to do something. I want my parents and other parents to be open about sexual education, to be open about telling us that this is what happens and you should be careful and everything. So my movies basically, intending to all of these questions and, telling them that you should actually start about this thing. One of my biggest challenges was to get people to tell their stories, first of all. It was really hard for me. And then another challenge was when I had to find team and then shoot it. So we had, in my film, there are some scenes which are a little uncomfortable for actors as well to do it. So getting them to do all of those things, it was a really big task. And then choreographing those scenes that people won't hesitate doing that and they won't feel uncomfortable. Keeping all the boundaries on the set, though there won't be any issue or any controversial things. So all of those things were really big challenge for me. My journey at IIT was actually fabulous. I started, exploring things. I was not a very good student. I didn't have very design psyche. I don't know what creativity is. Came from very normal business background. But then finally, when I started learning with teachers, I started coming around. Teachers helped me growing. Slowly, I developed myself, and I came to this stage that today I'm giving an interview. So for grad show, honestly, we spent days planning it out. We spent days making a display, making our final prototypes, and it was a lot of hard work for all of us. And when today in the morning, 9 o'clock, when we were getting ready, that's when we realized, no, it has to go great no matter what. We're going to do amazing job. I think I'll call it surreal, because this time, whatever projects we got, they are beyond this grad show, beyond this surface level. So I really loved it.